This is a demonstration of copying a data set from the Ballistic Measurement System software and then pasting it into Excel. I'm going to open the first file. I'm going to select the velocity data. You'll note from the green lines that the system has automatically selected the phases for the start of the eccentric phase, start of the concentric phase, takeoff and landing. For this demonstration, I'm most interested in the velocity data from the start of the eccentric phase through to takeoff. So I'm going to set point 1 at the start of the eccentric phase. I'm going to set point 2 at the point of takeoff. I'm now going to right-click on the graph, include the time data set, and select Copy Currently Displayed Dataset Between Points to Clipboard. I'm now going to paste this data into Excel. I have now switched to Excel. I will click in the top left-hand cell there and paste the data from the first trial that I have copied. I will now switch back to the Ballistic Measurement System to copy the data from the second trial. I will now select the second trial that I wish to compare to the first. So I'll open the file, select trial 2, and we now have the velocity data for the second trial with the phases marked. I'll set point 1 again at the start of the eccentric phase and point 2 at the start of the flight phase. I'll right-click, but this time I won't include the time data because I just want the velocity data, and I'll copy that to the clipboard. This is now ready to paste into Excel as the second trial. Back in Excel now, and I will select the cell at the top of the next column, and I will paste the data from the second trial. I'll just change these titles here to Velocity 1 and Velocity 2 to indicate that they are two separate trials. I'll now select all three columns, go up to Insert, Scatter, and I'll select Scatter with Straight Lines. Now this has produced a graph of the velocity from those two trials, and we can make a nice direct comparison to see the velocity profile from those two trials that we've selected.